Hello everyone and welcome back to Boost Your English. I'm Jason, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you want to speak English fluently, you need more than grammar. You need words. Vocabulary is the building block of every conversation. But many learners struggle to remember new words or feel like they never have enough. Today we'll explore simple, daily habits that will help you grow your English vocabulary faster than you thought possible. Let's get started. Why is vocabulary so important? Words are the tools you use to express every idea. Without them, you can't build sentences or share your thoughts. The more words you know, the more confident and flexible you become in conversations. Grammar shows how to build a sentence, but vocabulary gives you the bricks to build it. The good news? You don't need to memorize long word lists. Small, consistent practice works best. Daily habit 1. Learn just 5 new words every day. Choose words from things you love. A TV show, a recipe, a hobby. Write each word, its meaning, and an example sentence. 5 words might seem small, but over 1 month, that's 150 new words. Huge progress. Daily habit 2. Use the new words immediately. Don't wait. Make sentences with each word as soon as you learn it. For example, if the new word is delicious, say, "This pizza is delicious." Using a word right away tells your brain, this word matters. Daily habit 3. Label your world. Take sticky notes and write English words on them. Put them on objects. Mirror, door, table, fridge. Every time you see the note, you repeat the word and remember it naturally. Daily habit 4. Review with spaced repetition. Spend 5 to 10 minutes revisiting yesterday's and last week's words. Apps like Anki or Quizlet help, but a notebook works too. Quick reviews keep words in your long-term memory. Daily habit 5. Learn words in context, not alone. Instead of memorizing a single word, learn a phrase. For example, instead of only bright, learn a bright idea or bright light. Phrases make it easier to remember and use words naturally. Remember, mistakes are okay. If you forget a word or mix it up, that's normal. What matters is daily contact with new words. 5 words a day every day is powerful and realistic. Let's review. Learn 5 new words every day. Use them in sentences immediately. Label your surroundings. Review with spaced repetition. Learn phrases, not just single words. Stick with these habits, and your vocabulary will grow quickly and naturally. Thank you for joining me today on Boost Your English. Start your 5 words a day challenge now and share your favorite new words in the comments. Remember, vocabulary is power. See you next time and keep boosting your English every single day.